So the new series, we have 5 samples here in front of us. And this is called
Woodmark.
Woodmark series. And right now, yeah, Woodmark collection, all I had to do was read. But ebony pine, this is beautiful stuff. And you can see it comes with a pre-established spacer, right? It's fully curved in to the siding, and what that allows you to do is you put this piece down, the next piece goes down. There's no little templates, jigs, nothing. You just sit this one down,
Eliminates the
nail
needs
it
for
off.
story poles, popping several lines, gecko gauges. It's presets the course for the entire wall. Aids in installation, holds the panels nice and tight together. Contractors really like it just because it speeds up installation.
Yeah. All right. So now this is the part that really got me. It's pre-finished, but it's not painted.
It's not painted.
Yeah, and you can see it is finished on the edges. There, not, well, it's finished on that edge, but we really concern ourselves with these 3 because chances are that's going to get a square cut and then hit on those side. But talk to me a little bit about how's this finished?
So it's digitally printed. Some probably are familiar with the nickel gap that came out with the digital print back at IBS.
Yep.
So now we're adding another siding line to the Woodmark collection, and it's our 8-inch rigid stack. So the digital print is available now on smooth 8-inch rigid stack.
Yeah, so it still has, you know, you can still see it has a wood texture, but if I hold it up to say, let's say this one, right, you can see that this has a much heavier texture. Like you can run your finger across here and feel all the bumps and grooves, where here it looks it, but it's a smooth finish there. And how many colors is this available in?
So we have 5 colors that are available in both the nickel gap profile and the smooth. But the smooth is, like you said, it's brand new. It's just being launched. So
and so these are the 5: ebony pine, golden teak. What do we got here? Bronze walnut. I mean, I will give you this, like most of the time when I look at manufacturers and I see pre-finished products, they say, well, we have, 21 colors. Yeah, 19 of them I wouldn't use.
Right, exactly.
Right? So the fact that you came out with these 5, and honestly, I could see myself using any one of these 5 in a project. I mean, this is some pretty gorgeous stuff. What's that? Copper oak. I think I was actually lobbying for this here, but obviously I didn't get my way, but it's not my house. But the black walnut, beautiful. The golden teak here, I mean, that in some ways you could argue that almost looks like an oak there.
Yep.
Some driftwood, and then of course one of the hot items out on the market, a darker gray, almost black ebony pine. So just really great colors, really great complements to each other. I think it's and again, all pre-finished. And the idea of pre-finishing it, it holds a couple advantages that I see, and maybe you can elaborate on them. But the 2 immediate are, I put it up and I forget about it. So there's a scheduling benefit, right? I don't have to get the painter here. He doesn't have to go around the house the next 3 weeks and paint the house. And of course, having another sub here for another 3 or 4, I mean, a house like this, it'd probably take 2 guys 6 weeks to paint.
Yeah.
Right? So eliminating that need has got to be very cost effective.
Yeah, you come up with it. You mentioned all the great talking points. You put a painter on job site here for 6 weeks, especially here like in South Dakota. I mean, it could be a highs in the 40s, or you could have highs in the 90s. Yesterday it rained most of the day.
Yeah.
So those are all going to affect the finish and how that's applied. Yeah. And guys aren't going to skip rain days. They're not going to just show up when it's 50 to 60 degrees every day. So these are pre-finished in a controlled environment. We get consistent mill thickness that allows us to put a factory warranty on there that leads the industry. So yes, and having the extra added trades and things like that on the job site we're eliminating that. So
Gotcha.